Another interesting plant for you.
Clean it good and varnish it.
Yeah, that'll look cool.
Could fix it like here, like a head
Yeah,
snake.
that's wild.
Yeah.
What's it? What kind of? Is that the way they grow, or is that one plant growing
That's
around
how
another?
it grows. That's see?
Oh yeah, okay. Jeez, that's cool. So I got some good clearing through there. And we'll start working over here at some point. Very good. So this is your coco yam plant. And that's got a big long, that goes all the way up.
Yeah.
Wow. So how big do you think that is down there?